Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Supply Chain Talks. Today is the 8th episode of the 10-part series on purchase process. So far, we have looked at the first 6 steps of the purchase process, which are need recognition, need definition, supply source, price analysis, purchase, and follow-up. Today, we are going to look at the 7th step of the process, which is receipt. Receipt is the physical delivery of the material or services to the organization as per the purchase order issued to the supplier. In the case of indirect material or services, the receipt is usually handled by the requesting department. Whereas in the case of direct material, the warehouse is responsible for the receipt of the materials. In all cases, it is important that the quantity and quality of the material and services received should be as per the terms and conditions agreed in the purchase order. In addition, it is the responsibility of the receiving department or employee to inform immediately to the purchase department that the certain material or service has been received. Receipt of material or service should be immediately informed to the purchase department, along with timely generation of the good receipt note in the ERP system of the organization. In the receipt step, the purchasers also have a very integral role to play. Let's have a look at that. Purchasers should inform the concerned department of the arrival of the material. This should be done in advance, thus required preparation, if needed, may be done. Provide the warehouse or receiving department with the supporting documents like invoice, packing list, test certificates, PO copy, for them to receive and check the material or service. Once material or service is physically received, quality department is informed for inspection. Purchaser should follow up with the quality department for the inspection results. If the material is not meeting the required quality standards, then supplier is informed immediately for remedial actions like replacement or return. In the case that the material is meeting the required quality standards, then the user department for the indirect materials or the warehouse for direct material should process the good receipt note. In this step, the role of the purchase department is that of support to the concerned departments for their actions like quality inspection or good receiving. This concludes our discussion on the receipt step of the purchase process. Thank you.